Alright, let me show you this clip. It's also on the ABS wire. I don't know, this one came off easy on the other side. It's giving me a little bit of a hard time here. I figured out a way. It's very simple. Take my little screwdriver, slip it in there, twist. Oh, I'm going to try it again. Right. So simple, even an idiot can do it. Just lift, and it's out. And that comes out. Also, this is on the driver's side. That hole right there, the shock was in the way of getting a real size tool on that. So I need to find a small 6-point wrench, 5/16, to loosen that one up.